my problem, the cards back for another problem. 9, 7, aces are 1s, 2, with a divisor of 7. There's our equation. The divisor comes outside the box, and the 9,712 goes in our first box. 7 goes into 9. Well, that will work. So it's 1 time. But 1 is in the thousands column because we took our 7 into our 9. So we have to put our zeros up here to show that it really went in 1,000 times. 1,000 times 7 is 7,000. Easy multiplication. Now we'll subtract. 2, 1, 7, and 9 take away 7 is 2. That's a lot bigger than 7, so we're going to bring up into the next box. 2,712. 7 divides into 2. Nope, too small. Moving over, 27 this time. 7 times 3 is 21, so we'll put a 3 up here, but it really is 300 times. So let's add our zeros, multiply it back. 3 times 7 is 21. Notice that my columns are lining up, so the subtraction is easy to do. 2, 1, 7 take away 1 is 6. 612 is bigger than 7, so we need another box. And we'll bring this up. 612. 7 goes into 6. Well, 6 is too small, so I'm moving over. 61. What times 7 is close to 61 without going over it? 8. 8. But we're in the tens column, so this actually is 80. 0 times 7 is 0. 8 times 7 is 56. Subtract. We're going to have 2. We'll have to borrow for this one because we'll regroup. 11 take away 6 is 5. 7 divides into 52. Well, 7 times 7 is 49, so this has to come up. 7 times 7 is 49. Subtract. 12 take away 9 is 3. 3 finally is smaller than the 7. So here's a remainder 3. Now we'll reconstruct our number to 1,387, remainder 3. Our math is done inside the boxes before it was done off to the side. Either way works. Another example. 7, 2, 2, 1, divided by 8 this time. That's our equation. Here's our box. Our dividend goes in the box. The divisor comes outside the box. And we start to think, will 7 go in, will 8 divide into 7? No, 7 is too small. So now let's look at this as 72. 9 times 8 is 72, so let's take a 9. But it's in the hundreds place, so we'll have to add our zeros. The zeros can come down because anything times 0 is 0, so we've got it there. 9 times 8 is 72. Subtract, we get 21. 21 is bigger than 8, so we need another box. This comes up. What times 8 is close to 21 without going over it? Well, 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3, if we skip multiply, is 24. 24 is too small, or too large, so we're going to have to drop back to the smaller number, which was 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract 11 take away 5. 11 take away 6 is 5. 5 is smaller than the 8, so we are done right there. Our answer, 902, remainder 5. This is the box method of division.